Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to cover the session for the locators. So we have many locators available on Selenium to locate the elements. So before locators, we will understand something on a HTML doc. Okay. So here you see this page has been built in HTML. Okay. Here you come. So it is starting from the HTML. So this HTML is it's called the tag here. Okay. Uh, This all tag body tag we have this tag we have a tag, we have div tag. Okay, so this all a tag. Okay, and inside of tag we have id, we have classes, we have other roles, we have data self visits. All are called attributes for that for this tag. So now we will see one by one the locators, what locators it is provided. So first we will import the Selenium import WebDriver. Now what we will do, we have a driver is equal to WebDriver Chrome, because we have a Chrome. Okay, so we have to write Chrome. So we have a driver and driver. We have find element by find element by id, find element by link text. So these all are locators we see here. Okay, so if you come here, how many locators we have, find it on a line as well. Selenium, because we are learning Python, so I will go for the. Okay, so we have many locators available. Okay, so we have a find element by id, we have find element by name, we have find element by path, we have find element by link text, partial link text, tag name, which we are talking about the tag. Okay, that one. Class name, which we are talking about the attributes, is a selector. So first of all we will see, okay, what is first which these all are coming as on a order of priority. Okay, so whenever you will see it element, if some locators have or some elements having the id, so that will take first, okay, as a priority. So wherever we want to take a locators element, we will consider first a id, and then we will consider name, we have a XPath, we have a link text, we have partial link text, tag name, and then class name, and then last thing. So many people doesn't use this selector. Okay, so id is a main usable, okay, in the locators, and the name, and then most XPath and class. Okay, partial link text and link text is also very minimum use, but you need to understand the XPath here as well. Okay, this is very important locators available, because id can be a dynamically generated or name can be dynamically generated. So to avoid this kind of things, we use the XPath. Okay, so for first what we will see, suppose uh, uh, so here, if you want to locate this element, okay, what is the element? This is a search, right? So what you need to do, okay, you have a id, so this is the id. Okay, so whenever you want to do some operation on this field, what you need to do, find driver dot find element I, and you need to provide that id. Okay, so this id, and whatever operation you want to do, if you want to send some text there. So we have a function called text keys. Okay. If you want to do some operation as a click, we have a click method as well available. Okay, that we will learn as well with the practice. We will learn on this click. Also, we have a if you want to take this from the name, so we have a name has been available there uh, somewhere. So it is having id, so we have used that one. Let's see if someone having a thing. So we have a CRI. Okay, so this is the input. It is talking about the search. This button is made one, and type we have a class name. So suppose we have here name. Okay, this input field. We can do. We can take this locator. Okay, and type and element. One is and whatever operation you want to do that you can. Similarly, we have X path. Suppose if you want to find X path for this, okay, so this is the search field. So what we need to do, we have a div here. Okay, so we will have a div. Okay, and then so what was the ID after this div? We have an input field. So we will give the input field, and then what we need to give, we have ID, and what is the ID we had? We had the ID for this one is uh, this ID we have already written. Now we can see it is hovering this here. Okay, so one element has matched. Next, we have a class name. Okay, so for that we have a find element by class name. For that we have a class. Suppose so class is not a unique. Okay, so maybe the one class can be used by the multiple tabs. Okay, so that's why whenever you will have a class, okay, you need to understand that only one single class is matching, okay, for that element, then we can use. Otherwise we should not use that, we should avoid it, or either we can give that array like and then use. But most probably if you have a number of classes available, one class is use many locators, many elements, that time we should not use that. If you see here, okay, so we have a name. Look at this. So how many it is you see import in class name. how many it is using by two elements. Okay, so see here one two. Second is same element, same classes are using by the two elements. So we should not do that. Okay, so this is simply a XPath we have generated here. Okay, that's what it is fine. If we give one here one, okay, then it will indicate only one. Okay, so this is how we can use with the XPath this class. Okay, so one element only it is there, but it is showing the two. So anyway, we should not use that as class. Okay. Okay, so this is done, and we have a driver, we have a parser, link test. So if we have any tag, it is called a tag. Search some a tag here. So we have some link available. So here it is. Suppose we have Amazon website. Okay. So you can see this is all. These all are link. So whenever you want to take that link and you want to click that link, at that time you can use very well with this link. Okay. So this locator we can use find link text or parcel link. Same it is there. Okay, but parcel link we use we do not need to write all the word, okay, which is available for the click. Okay, we can use the parcel text as well to click that. This is how we can. So don't confuse, okay, with this uh, this function. Okay, this all function is same. Earlier this also we were using, but now Python is still okay. We should use and recommend this function apart from this. Uh, Same thing. Okay, it is already available here. Go and very well see that. Uh, Parcel. Yes, we have tag name. So tag name we know, right? This is the a tag. If you want to find element with the tag name, we can do what? Suppose we have what is the tag? We have many tag name like a. Okay, we have tag name view. We have a tag name span. Okay, so this all kind of tag name is already available. Okay, so you can use that one. Let me see. Uh, so this by why it is telling you the why it is showing because to avoid this error we need to import the by class as well. So it is now so this is about the locators, okay, which is available here on Selenium, okay, and going forward we will use this element to find the locators and test our test cases, okay, how we can do that, okay, how we can implement this. Thanks for watching this.